We're on our way to North Carolina, to Charlotte, ZMAX Raceway, to Streetcar Takeover to do some testing with the Snot Rocket. I've been trying to get out and get some testing done for the past few weeks now because we have a race in St. Louis, Meet in the Middle. It's one of the biggest streetcar races that I've ever entered or gone to, so we wanted to get a lot of testing done. And typically we don't race a lot in the summer because we live in Florida and it's 90 degrees and rains pretty much every single day. So it's kind of hard to get any racing done. So this is why we are driving to North Carolina and see our friends at Streetcar Takeover and test a car at the same time. So we've gone through 2 rounds of testing and 1 round of qualifying for the street racer class, and we're doing good. We're making progress on the tunes. We're getting the data that we actually came here for because we knew the track surface was going to be less than ideal for a car that's set up for really good radial prep. And the temperatures here, the track surface was very hot, the sun was out all day, and we've added some sensors to the car and we're collecting some chassis data and drive lane data to make the car better on surfaces like this. So that way, ideally, I want to have a tune for every track condition. So that way I can go across the country, compete with the car, be competitive, and not necessarily have to worry about, is the track going to be prepped really good? And we also obviously are trying to be safe with the car because I don't want to crash the car. So we edge up on it. We spin a little bit, lift, come back, evaluate it, make a change, note everything down, and then keep moving forward. So now testing and qualifying is done. Qualifying was done in this race to split the class into 2 groups of 16 cars, fastest 16, slower 16. The rounds will be poker chip random drawing for your pairings, so we don't know who will have first round. The qualifying doesn't determine that, and we'll set a tune up depending on who we draw and try to make a fast pass. All right, so we're back from Streetcar Takeover Charlotte, and we had a great time up there. We got the testing we needed to get. The runs were really good. We qualified well. We won the first round, but unfortunately the curfew hit. It was 12 a.m. there on Saturday night, and the track had to shut down, so we didn't get to conclude the race. We had a couple more things we wanted to try, so we kept the car loaded up and brought it out here, Orlando Speed World, once we got home, and we're gonna finish our testing here tonight. Alright, so we finished our testing tonight. We made 3 solid passes. We got the data we were coming to get, and we're going to load it up and just do our regular maintenance routine, and we'll be ready to go up to St. Louis for the Meet in the Middle streetcar shootout event, and that should be pretty interesting. There's a lot of really fast cars up there. They're going to do a 35-mile cruise and then straight to the staging lanes. Hoods down, not allowed to work on the car, not allowed to touch the car, just tire pressure. So that alone is going to be an equalizer for some of the cars, I think. So like I said, it should be very interesting, and we're excited to go up there and compete and hopefully win.